Chef Jay here.
Today I'll show you how to make tsunamayo onigiri. Here are the ingredients you will need. 400 grams of cooked Japanese short grain rice, 1 can of tuna, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 nori sheets, a pinch of salt. Fill a small bowl halfway with rice and create a small dent in the center. Add the tsunamayo. Fill the rest of the bowl with more rice. Wet both hands and add a little salt to your palm. Place the rice on your palm and gently press the shape into a triangle by gradually forming each corner. Rub the rice with nori, ensuring the shiny side faces outward. I hope you enjoy making this tsunamayo onigiri at home. And to learn about more onigiri fillings, check out my latest ebook, 36 Fun and Flavorful Onigiri, designed for beginners and onigiri fans like you. This ebook is your go-to resource for discovering a variety of onigiri filling ideas, including both seaweed wrapped and mixing options. Whether you want a quick snack or a healthy and satisfying lunch, this ebook has recipes for every occasion. Get ready to dive into the world of onigiri with this extensive collection of ideas. Pick up your copy by going to shop.chefjcooks.com or the link in the description.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.